Hello ladies, I have major unboxing from Chanel. Please stay with me. And this is from the latest collection, 19A Metiers. I hope that I pronounced it correctly. Once again, if you're French, correct me. Please stay with me. If this is the first time you ever clicked on my videos, my name is Oxana. Welcome again. If you love luxury, if you love fashion, I hope you will love my channel as well. Today I have major unboxing for you guys. This is from the latest collection of 19A and I'm extremely excited. Before this video I did another unboxing and it was my Chanel crop print graffiti, gold graffiti card holder in reissue. If you will be interested, I'm gonna link this video somewhere over here. I'm gonna link it at the end of this video, like you know, one of those end cards, and I'm gonna also link it in the description box below. So let's start with this unboxing. So obviously huge Chanel bag. I'm just gonna keep it on the floor because it's honestly too big to even handle. Let me just pull the box. All right, this is the shopping bag. With my camellia is detached. Let me put it back on so we can view the full glory of this packaging. My SA, she did a really great job, so obviously you can see. And let's just do unboxing. And I was kind of debating on the purchase of this bag, and when I'm gonna open it for you, then I will explain why. But I overcome several fears in my life in this bag. So you can see it's fully packaged. Oh, ripping sound of Chanel packaging. Okay, there you go, guys. And here is the dust bag. And guys, oh my gosh, I hope you will like it. Please tell me that you love this bag. Ta-da! This is my second Chanel Coco handle. I have already one Coco handle and it's in slightly iridescent black with the chevron quilting and so black hardware. I love that bag. I was once at the verge not ever buying the Coco handles because I had a little bit of the corner issue, not a major one, just a little bit of rubbing in the corners, but you know, they already handled that issue. I have that bag repaired and I will do the video about somewhat repair a little bit of that bag. And I decided to go for my second Chanel Coco handle. And this beige is not much, a little bit darker than usual beige, and it doesn't have yellow. It's kind of almost like a grayish undertone. It's like a true beige. My lighting, let me just turn off the lighting. So I turn off the lighting and hopefully you can see the true color. You can see it's there is not really yellow in it. It's kind of like a beige one. And as you can see, it has a croc embossed handle. Oh, sorry, lizard embossed handle. And I wanted to have something with lizard for a very long time. But I have major phobia for lizard. Like, I mean, any kind of, snakes. And I was finally able to scratch that itch. This is my new beauty. I'm absolutely excited about this bag. Guys, like, you have no idea. I want to also insert picture and maybe a little bit of video clip when I was at the fitting room, and there was several different colors. There was like a turquoise, once again with the lizard. There was a red, and the red was a true red. But I find with the red handles that it's a lizard embossed, like you cannot even see it. I definitely gonna do also my modeling shots, because I'm extremely excited about this bag. And what I like about it, first and most, I love the color, because as I said, it's beige, but it's not yellow beige, because classic Claire beige from Chanel, I don't really like it very much. I find it's too yellow. This one, when you put it, unfortunately I don't have anything in Chanel in Claire beige, but if you put it together, this one looks more like a taupe color and slightly darker. And this one has also kind of like a sheen to it, like a little bit almost like a shiny sheen. And as I said, because it's a croc handle, it's absolutely spectacular. What I love also about this bag, it's a price, because like I got my Sue Black and Chevron, and it was slightly iridescent. Combination of all of this, it was 57 Canadian dollars. And it didn't have even the lizard handle, what I was actually happy, because like, you know, I have phobia. This one with the embossed lizard handle, and it looks so realistic, guys. It looks absolutely realistic. It's 48 Canadian, like, you know, 48 Canadian. I believe it's about 37 American. For the Chanel bag, I believe it's lots and lots of values. So let's just open and look inside. Oh, I think I have to change my battery, guys. I will be back. Okay, I'm back, ladies. I changed my batteries, and before I once again restart my video, I did short video without any lighting, not even lighting in my room, just the daylight. I hope it will show the true color, because you know beige is very tricky. So let's just remove everything. So that's how it looks inside. Once again, right now I have lighting just to see a little bit better. So that's the packaging. The inside, once again, it's just a beige, and it's usual Coco handle stuff. You know, it's like almost like in a classic. You have those two pockets and one sleeve for the lipstick. There is a middle compartment, and it's actually very useful on the back compartment. Oh, I just don't want to destroy the bag. Yeah, it's a little bit better to see. There you go, guys. And it's 28. Okay. So now while my modeling shots are running, I just want to chat with you a little bit more why, from all the handbags in this quite exciting, you know, latest collection of Chanel, why Coco handle? You know, first and most, if you look through my collection or through my videos, you know that I have lots of handbags, and I mean true handbags. I have lots of handbags with some kind of small handles on top. I do have obviously several regular flaps, but I really enjoy having some kind of handles on the top. I find it's very easy to use, to style, to grab it sometime. When I'm wearing any flaps, I always have to be careful not to pick it up from the top, and because the top then gets pointy. So I truly enjoy ladylike, you know, top handle. This is the first. Second, I absolutely love the size of this bag. I believe they called before size small. Now they don't call it anything. I believe it just kind of becoming a classic Coco handle size. And this is roughly about size jumbo. Just maybe slightly smaller than a size jumbo. But what I love about this bag, first and most, it has lots of organization. You already saw inside. It has options of top handle. It has options of detachable shoulder strap. And this strap is perfect as a shoulder bag. I mean, I still can do crossbody, but it's kind of a little bit too short because of the handle. But the great things about this one is that you can attach any like, you know, different detachable shoulder strap. Say I was on my Sue Black Coco handle, I was using Louis Vuitton strap. I'm actually considering to buy a couple of Hermes shoulder straps because I think it's gonna look really great. So anyway, this is digress from the topic. The only worries obviously I had it's about the corners, but now I see how Chanel fixing them, so there is no problem. Even in the future, if there is going to be any rubbing of the corner, they can always fix it. So, and it's gonna look like a brand new. Last, definitely not least, point about Coco handles, that comparing to Jumbo, it's way much lighter, and that's what I really love about this bag. And I mean the price point also, it's very classy bag, has all classic elements, and like, I mean, personally, it's just my personal style. It's actually the first handbag in my collections that I'm doing doubles, like, you know, from the line, because I have just the one classic flap in medium size, medium large. I have classic mini, I have what is it, the vanity case. I have my Chanel Trapezio, which is once again seasonal, and it has that kind of antiquish handles that I can use it. I have definitely my other Coco handle, and this is the second bag, or like I would say the second bag in my Chanel collection that I'm actually doubling from the same line. So I'm very happy, and I definitely, it's quite bold choice for me because I'm a very practical person. I thought I would never gonna buy a light color of Chanel bag, but I think this is absolute perfection. And as I said, once again, it's leather embossed handle, and it's a dark color, so I don't worry that it's gonna get dirty or anything, because mostly like when it gets dirty, it gets dirty on a handle. I extremely excited about this purchase, guys. I want to know what you think. I love the finish, and it's kind of like, you know, really puffy, and like the finish on this bag, if you look at the Chanel classic, like, you know, flaps, it's almost the same. And in the latest years, I noticed that they're caviar leather, and it's, oh, I forgot totally say, it's in caviar, and it's kind of caviar and slightly glazed, so it's a little bit more durable. But I noticed that their caviar lately getting really softer, so it's not as stiff, let's say, because I have my Chanel medium classic and caviar, and it's really stiff. It's like very stiff. This one is way more softer. So I want to know what you guys think about this bag. Do you like it? Please put all your comments below. I am like really looking forward to read all your comments. I really want to know what you think of this bag. I mean, I'm keeping it for sure, because this is something that's very hard to get, for sure. Thank you very much, guys, for watching. I hope to see you again on my channel, and I guess until our next meeting, bye bye.